It's so exciting to learn new ways to use Google Docs in education. And so I want to share something with you today. Here's some fun things you can do with your paperless research. Our topic today is volcanoes. So one of the things I love about Google Docs is you can highlight words. So I'm going to highlight this word volcano, right click and choose define. So at this point, I can get the definition, even click and drag and drop this into my document for reference later. Love it. The other thing I can do is I can research directly in the doc. So I'm going to look for some facts about volcanoes. So I'm going to highlight facts about volcanoes, right click, and select explore. It changes from the dictionary menu over here on the right to the explore tool, exploring the web. So look, I found 10 interesting facts about volcanoes, 11 interesting facts about volcanoes. Let's go ahead and dive in here and see if there's anything interesting. So I open up the doc and I'm learning a variety of things, that there's three major kinds. Escaping magma causes it to erupt. So I'm going to write down some of the things I've learned. There are three major kinds. Magma causes the eruption. And I can go on and note more. Okay. Now I want to cite my source. So I'm going to just jump over here. I opened up 10 interesting facts. I don't even have to go back to the resource. I can click on the citation tool. I get a number 1 here for my footnote and an MLA footnote at the bottom. I can use that later to guide me through my works cited process, or use the EasyBib add-on. I can easily add an image below. My next tasks prompts me to do that. So add an image using the Explorer tool to find free images. Okay, so I'm going to click on images and boom, here I have some images. Grab an image, insert that into my doc, and I've completed the task. So I've got a pretty good research doc. I've gotten the definition, I've researched some facts, I have an image, but now I'm going to take it a step further and use the voice typing tool to describe what I've learned. So I'm going to click in the box here, and let's just go down to the bottom. Let's get out of this window, yeah, so you can see this better. And I'm ready to explain what I've learned. So I click on Tools and go to Voice Typing and turn it on and allow my microphone. Today I learned that there's some interesting facts about volcanoes. There's three kinds of volcanoes. And also it's magma trying to escape that causes the eruption, and so on and so forth. There's my voice typing tool. So you're learning all about volcanoes, but you're also learning about all these different ways you can use Google Docs to engage and help students learn. Last but not least, I'd like to highlight a new tool. It's a Canvas by Chrome. It's a Canvas app. It's the Chrome Canvas app. So if you go to canvas.apps.chrome, there's a link here, but canvas.apps.chrome. And our teacher has asked us to draw and label four parts of a volcano and insert here below. So very quickly, I can go to the Canvas app. I've already created it, but you can create a new drawing and you can do tools. But I'm going to show you what I've done. I've created my drawing and I've done a quick label, nothing fancy, kind of Picasso-ish. And now I'm ready to download that. So I'm going to export the drawing, and that will export. You can upload it to Google Drive, but immediately I can draw it. It's saved to my Canvas account, and I can just drag and drop it into my doc. So that was a pretty quick process. I didn't have to go and do much of anything to get the job done. Last but not least, one of my favorite tools is the EasyBib add-on. If you have this add-on available in your domain, you can access it from the add-ons menu, or you can get add-ons. You can click on get add-ons and add it directly. If you're unable to do that, contact your domain administrator and see if they are able to make that open for you. But with EasyBib add-on right now, remember that website that we use, the 10 interesting facts about volcanoes? Well, because I have the URL here, if I had 10 or 12 resources now as footnotes, I can make a quick works cited page by clicking on add-ons, going to the EasyBib bibliography creator, starting it, clicking on website, And then I don't even have to go back to the websites. I can just, for every resource I have here, I can right click, copy link URL, come over here, paste it in, search for it, finds it, select it, and now I'm ready to add my bibliography to Doc. And I have some other things saved here. Those are from a different exercise. So I'm just going to get rid of those, get rid of that, get rid of that. And now we're going back, put the website in. Sorry, I'm reusing a doc from before. So you put in your URL, you hit select. It gives you your resources, and you can add 10, 20, 30, whatever you need to. And then when you're ready, click on Add Bibliography to Doc. If you add the bibliography to your doc and you add more sources later and then click that again, it will just update and reshuffle and organize everything for you. So to recap, we've used a Google Doc for paperless research and learning. We used the Define tool by highlighting a word, right-clicking and choosing Define. We've researched by highlighting a phrase, right-clicking, and exploring. We've inserted free images to use through the Explore tool. We've added a footnote. We've used voice typing. We've inserted our labeled drawing from the Canvas app and used the EasyBib add-on. It's pretty amazing what you can do with Docs. That's only a little bit of it, but that's all I'm sharing today. Thanks and have a great day.